in our bike park. Avinox M2S motor. Super breathable, so yeah, really nice. Like and subscribe to Fizzy Globe. Hey Fizzy Globe, welcome to Commencal Village. I'm Matt, I'm a product manager for Commencal. I'm just going to show you the Commencal Village. Come in. So on this side, you have the restaurant for all our clients, customers, riders. Everybody is coming there. The name is The Spot, so it's the place where everybody gather. Okay, so here we are at the Commencal spot. So you have the open kitchen. You can see the guys cooking your best dish. And over there, you have the bar for the after ride or even for the coffee in the morning. So we have everything you want. So over here you have the new Commencal Lifestyle collection for clothes. So on this side, mainly the lifestyle, and on the other side we have all the kits for riding, like technical pants and jersey. And there on the background you can see the Commencal workshop where the guys prepare your bikes, they fix your bikes. We do the prototypes, so a bit everything where the magic happens. Yeah, so here we are at the shop. So you can see the new Commencal Lifestyle collection. So everything is made in mainly in Portugal with organic cotton. It's thick, it's pre-washed. So yeah, very very cool and high-end. You have a loose fit, like more casual fit. And on the other side, you can see the more technical stuff to go riding, to race, and just yeah, to enjoy. So here you have our technical riding wear. So for example, with the new jacket, rain jacket. Here you have the technical shorts to go riding when with or without knee pads. And here an example of our race jersey, super breathable. So yeah, really nice. So we have the Furious range here. The bikes are ridden at the Rampage, mainly by Thomas Lemon. So different builds, different colors, different price points. And on the background, you can see the a la carte bikes, like the custom bikes. You can choose your components, the forks, the suspensions, the wheels, and you can basically build your dream bike. So here in the Commencal Village, we also have a big workshop where we basically prepare the bikes for the end customers, where we do all our R&D. We test the prototypes, we do the setting of the suspensions for you guys, and yeah, we fixed also bikes for the end customers coming with their whole bikes, and we do basically a bit of everything in the same room. So welcome to the Avinox room. We've been working on these projects for 2 years now. We just got the bikes in stock, so you can buy them from now. So basically, this is our bestseller, the Meta Power SX, coming with the Avinox M2S motor, 800 battery, 170 travel front, 160 rear. So this motor has been a game changer for the bicycle industry the last year. So this one is coming with 150 Newton meters torque, 800 battery, and all the Avinox ecosystem on our best platform, for sure the Meta SX. Thanks Fizzy Globe for coming here, and we'll be really happy to bring you to the mountain to show you our tracks, and yeah, see you next time. Like like and subscribe to Fizzy Globe.